Welcome to the English Listening Channel. Today, we will listen to a natural, everyday conversation inside a Domino's pizza restaurant. In this video, you will follow two friends, Mina and Ken, as they meet after a long, tiring day and decide to enjoy a pizza dinner together at their local Domino's Pizza. Throughout the dialogue, you will learn useful English phrases for ordering food, reading a digital menu, talking about pizza toppings, and even discussing fun facts like Domino's famous 30-minute rule and the little white plastic piece called a pizza saver. I will speak slowly and clearly, so learners at intermediate and even high beginner levels can easily follow along. Before we begin, here is a small question for you. What is the small white plastic piece in the middle of a pizza box called? You will hear the answer during the conversation. Please write it in the comments section. This will help you practice your English writing skills. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Let's get started.
Wow, I am so hungry.
Me too. Class was so long today.
I know. 3 hours is too much. My head is tired. I just want to relax.
Same here. I don't want to cook. Let's order something.
Good idea. What do you want?
How about pizza?
Yes, I love pizza. Where should we order from?
Let's try Domino's. They are fast and good.
Okay. Do you have the app?
Yes, I have it on my phone. Wait a second.
Take your time. I will sit here on the sofa. And Ken notices Mina looks cold.
Are you cold? Do you want a blanket?
A little. Yes, thanks.
Here you go.
It's so warm. Thank you. Perfect for a cold night.
Okay, the app is open now.
Great! By the way, why Domino's tonight?
I just love how fast they are.
Yes, they really know delivery. They started as a delivery shop, really from the beginning.
Yes, that is their main thing.
That's interesting. They have over 20,000 stores around the world.
20,000? That's huge.
Yes, they open new stores every week. Pizza is really popular everywhere.
It is easy to eat, easy to share, perfect food for friends.
That's a good way to say it. So, do they have anything special about their delivery?
Funny you ask, Mina. Do you know about the 30-minute rule?
The 30-minute rule? What is that?
It's something special about Domino's. It's a famous story.
Really? Tell me about it.
I will tell you later. Let's order first.
Okay, but don't forget.
I won't, I promise.
So, what are we going to order?
Let's see the menu first.
Good idea. I'm so hungry, I can eat anything.
Me too. Let me open the app.
Is it ready?
Yes, here it is. The menu's loading now.
I really love that Domino's brings the pizza to us. We don't have to go anywhere.
That's right. They're famous for delivery. Perfect for a lazy night like this.
Wow, there are so many pizzas.
I know. The pictures look so good. My stomach is making noise just from looking.
Mine too. Okay, let's start with the size. What size do you want?
How big are they? Small, medium, large, or extra large?
I think medium is good for 2 people.
Sounds good. Now the crust. Hand-tossed or pan?
What's the difference?
Hand-tossed is thin and soft. Pan is thicker and a little crunchy.
I want pan, please. I like crunchy crust.
Some people also love thin crust. Thin crust is more like Italian style, right?
Yes, crispy and light. Maybe next time. Today, I want something filling. Pan is perfect for that.
Now the toppings. Look at all of them. Pepperoni, mushrooms, onions, peppers, chicken. It's hard to choose.
How about half and half?
Yes, I want chicken and mushroom on my side.
I want pepperoni and extra cheese on my side.
Perfect.
Hey, Did you know Domino's is in over 90 countries?
90 countries? That's a lot.
And each country has its own special pizza.
Really? Like what?
In Japan, they have teriyaki chicken pizza.
Oh, I love that one.
In India, they have a paneer pizza. Paneer is a kind of cheese.
That sounds good. I want to try.
And in Korea, they have a bulgogi pizza with Korean beef.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
People in different countries like different flavors. That's why they changed the menu. Smart business.
Maybe one day when we travel, we can try them all.
Yes, a world pizza tour. Sounds delicious. For now, let's enjoy our pizza here.
Okay, our order looks good. Let me add a drink.
Get a big cola, please.
Got it. And I will press order now.
Yes, do it.
Done. Order confirmed. Now we just wait. Look at this screen. It's called the pizza tracker.
What is it doing?
It shows you what is happening with your pizza right now.
Oh, cool. It says prep now. That means they are preparing the pizza, adding the sauce and toppings.
That's so neat. Now it changed to bake. Now the pizza is in the oven. This is fun to watch. It feels faster when you can see it.
Hey, you said you would tell me about the 30-minute rule.
Oh, right. I almost forgot. So, what is it? A long time ago, Domino's made a promise.
What promise?
If the pizza did not arrive in 30 minutes, it was free.
That's amazing.
Yes, it made Domino's very famous. I wish they still did that. Every pizza for free.
But really, why don't they do it now?
Because of safety. The drivers had to go very fast. There were too many accidents.
Oh, that's not good. Some drivers got hurt. Some people on the road got hurt too.
So they stopped the rule in the 1990s.
That was a good choice.
Yes, people are more important than pizza.
That's true. Safety first. And that's why they made this pizza tracker.
Exactly. Now we can watch the pizza without rushing the driver.
Look, it says quality check now. That means someone is checking the pizza before it leaves.
Wow, that's nice. They look at the toppings, the cheese, the box, everything?
Yes, they want every customer to be happy.
That makes me feel safe to order.
And now it says out for delivery. Our pizza is on the way.
Yay, I can't wait.
The app says 10 more minutes. Perfect. Let me clean the table.
Good idea. I will get plates and drinks.
Mina? Ken? Good evening. I have a pizza for Mina.
Yes, that's me. Thank you for coming so fast.
You're welcome. The store was not too busy tonight.
That's lucky for us.
It is. Friday nights are usually crazy.
Oh, I can imagine. One moment, please. Let me check the order.
Sure, take your time.
1 medium pan pizza, half chicken and mushroom, half pepperoni and extra cheese, and 1 large cola.
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. Here you are. It is still hot.
Thank you. It smells so good.
I'm glad. Be careful. The box is warm. I will. How much do I need to pay?
You already paid on the app, so nothing now.
Oh, that's right. We paid online.
That's right. The tip is also included.
Mina. Great. I always feel a little shy with tips. Many people feel that way. Should I tip extra anyway? No need. It's already in the app payment. I see. Tipping is different in each country, isn't it? Yes, very different. Some countries don't tip at all. That's true. Good to know. Of course, it is helpful for travel. Yes, very helpful. Thank you so much. By the way, how long have you lived here? About 1 year. I'm a student. Nice. The food in this area is great. Yes, there are many small restaurants too. Try the noodle shop on the corner. Very good. Oh, I will. Thank you for the tip. Have a nice dinner. Thank you. You drive safely too. I will. Have a good night. Good night. Oh, one more thing. We have a coupon for next time. Really? That's nice. Yes, check the app tomorrow. You will see it. Thank you. I will tell my friend. Great. Enjoy the pizza. We will. Thanks again. Bye. Bye.
Wow, that smells amazing.
I know, right? Let's open it. Be careful. It's hot.
Okay, here we go. Look at that. It looks perfect.
The cheese is so stretchy. Look at the steam coming up. It's like a little cloud.
You always say things in a cute way.
I like to imagine. It's more fun. My side has so much cheese.
Yes. Hey, wait, what is this little thing in the middle?
Where?
Oh, that white plastic thing.
Yes, it has 3 legs, like a little table.
That's a good way to say it. It is called a pizza saver.
A pizza saver? What does it save?
It saves the pizza from the top of the box. When the box gets warm, the top can fall down. The little table holds the top up.
Oh, so the cheese doesn't stick to the top.
Exactly. Without it, your pizza would be a mess.
That's so smart. Who thought of it?
A woman from America. She invented it a long time ago.
She invented this little thing? Cool.
Yes, only she could make it at first. Now everyone uses it.
Wow, a small idea, but very useful.
Yes, small things can make a big difference.
I always thought it was just a small toy.
Many people think that. My little brother used to play with them.
Really?
Yes, he had a small collection in his room.
That's so cute. He thought it was a tiny chair for his toys.
Kids have a great imagination.
Yes, they really do. Now I will tell my friends about this name.
Me too. Now I will look for one in every pizza box.
Okay, let's eat before it gets cold.
Yes, I'm starving. Do you want a plate?
Yes, please, and a napkin?
Here you go.
Thank you. Should we start with my side or your side?
My side. The cheese will get hard if we wait.
Good point. Let's start. This is so good.
Wow, the crust is really crunchy. Pan was a good choice.
I told you pan is the best. My side is good too. The chicken is soft.
Can I try a piece?
Sure. Here, try the mushroom part.
Thanks. The mushroom is really nice.
I told you.
Hey, Mina, which pizza place do you like the best?
That's a hard question. There are so many. Pizza Hut, Papa John's, Domino's, and many small local places too.
I think Domino's is the fastest.
Yes, they are very quick. Pizza Hut has more dining stores.
That's true. They are good for eating in the store. I went to a Pizza Hut once with my family.
How was it?
It was fun. They had a big salad.
Nice. I want to try that. Papa John's has nice sauce.
I think I agree. They use fresh ingredients. But for delivery, Domino's is my favorite.
Same here. The tracker is fun too.
Yes, that was really cool. Next time, let's try different topics.
Yes, I want to try the chicken kebab one, or the meat lovers.
Maybe both. One for me, one for you. Now we are getting too hungry. Let's just enjoy this one first.
You know, ordering at home is so easy these days.
I know. Before we had to call on the phone. My mom always called for pizza.
My mom too. She used a paper menu.
Now everything is on the phone.
Easier, faster, and you can see the menu.
I hope my future kids will know this is special. They will think it is normal.
True. Times change. That's life. Anyway, cheers.
Cheers to pizza night. This was a really nice evening.
I agree. Good food, good company, and I learned new things tonight.
Like what?
The 30-minute rule story, the pizza saver name, the world pizzas.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
I really did. Thank you, Ken.
Anytime. Let's do this again soon.
Yes, definitely.
I'm getting full already.
Me too, but I don't want to stop. This is too delicious.
Should we save the last 2 slices for later?
Good idea. Let's put them in the fridge.
I'll get a container.
Thanks. You know, leftover pizza tastes almost as good the next day.
Really? Cold pizza for breakfast?
Yes, some people love it. You should try it tomorrow morning.
Maybe. I usually like it hot.
Okay, then we can reheat it in the oven for 5 minutes.
Perfect.
Great. Let's finish our cola first.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mina, the delivery driver mentioned a coupon for next time.
Oh, right. I almost forgot. Let me check the app.
What kind of coupon is it?
Wait, it says buy 1 large pizza, get 1 medium free.
Wow, that's a great deal.
Yes, but it's only valid for online orders next week.
Then we should order again next weekend.
Definitely. We can try different toppings.
I want to try the barbecue chicken pizza.
And I want the spicy beef one.
Deal.
I'll save the coupon in the app right now.
You're so organized.
Just trying to save money. Pizza isn't cheap, you know.
True, but it's worth it for a fun night like this. Should we clean the table now?
Yeah, let me get a wet cloth.
I'll throw away the empty cola bottle.
And don't forget the pizza box.
Oh, right. Should we recycle it?
Yes, but first check if there's any cheese stuck to the bottom.
Good point.
Yeah, I hate leaving a mess.
Me too. A clean kitchen makes me feel calm.
Same here. Okay, let's sit back on the sofa.
I'll bring the blanket.
Thanks. It's still cold outside.
Mina,
Ken.
do you want to watch a movie?
Sure. What kind?
Comedy or action?
Comedy. I need something light after that long class.
How about that new animation movie? I heard it's funny.
The one with the talking animals?
Yes, that one.
Okay, let's watch it.
I'll turn on the TV and find it.
Yes, press play.
Here we go.
This is so relaxing.
I know. Good food, warm blanket, funny movie.
And no homework tonight.
Lucky us.
Shh, the funny part is coming.
Sorry.
They laugh together at the movie. That squirrel is so silly.
He reminds me of my little cousin.
Really?
Yes, always running around and making a mess.
That's cute.
Sometimes, but also very tiring.
I think I'm getting sleepy.
Me too. It's almost 11 p.m.
Time flies when you're having fun.
Should we stop the movie and continue tomorrow?
Yes, but let's watch just 5 more minutes.
Okay, then I'll walk you home.
You don't have to. My apartment is just next door.
Still, it's dark outside. I'll walk with you.
That's very kind. Thank you.
No problem. That's what friends are for.
That was a nice evening.
Yes, one of the best this month.
Let's order pizza again next week with the coupon.
Definitely. I'll text you on Friday.
Perfect. Do you have your keys?
Yes, right here.
Okay, let's go. They walked to Mina's door.
Here we are. Thanks again for everything.
You're welcome. Good night, Mina.
Good night, Ken. Sleep well.
You too. See you tomorrow in class.
See you.
Ken waves and walks back to his apartment. To himself, pizza, friends, and a funny movie. Life is good.